Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. And we are here in Miami Beach, Florida at the Kimpton Surfcomer Hotel in South Beach, located on the boardwalk. This is a old boutique hotel that offers a oceanfront bar, pool. There's a $46 a night resort fee, which includes bikes, yoga classes, wine hour in the lobby, complimentary. And they have a cool little courtyard, and they have a pool towel service. So the pool people go put the pool towels on your lounge chairs, and they got you get two free lounge chairs at the beach, and they have a little bar at the beach with servers. And umbrellas are $25 additional if you want umbrellas, but the lounge chairs on the beach are free, and they give you free beach towels. So yeah, it's $46 a night for the resort fee. Start off. I'm here on employee rate, $99 a night with all the taxes. Came out to be over $600. So let's see what this goes. So let's see what we got here. Got some scuffs right there. Here we got a nice 55-inch flat screen Samsung TV. Room menu. We do have a mini bar with no prices. Not touching that. We do have a wall wine right here. Of course, gotta pay for that. Pause if you wanted to read those prices. We got a mini fridge that is stocked, mini bar, of course, wine glasses and stuff. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Little things for your luggage. Mirror, what's up? Desk, chair, bathroom occupied as usual. Little closet, two yoga mats. We got a mirror here. Adjoining rooms. Beds are soft and firm. Could be a little bit more soft for my liking. Beds are clean. The bathroom is occupied as usual. The bathroom is small. At the side of a building view right here. But bathroom is small. And staff is excellent. Bathroom small. Very small. It's occupied, so I can't show you. The tub is chipped and worn. The bathtub is chipped and worn in our room here. In our bathroom, other than that, everything's in good shape. Give you another pan of the room, small room. If you want a bigger room, this is your typical old South Beach boutique hotel that you're gonna, expect to find in South Beach. If you want a big modern resort, this with a balcony, this ain't it. But if you like an older boutique style hotel, modern, of course, with excellent service, Kimpton Surfcomer Hotel, Miami Beach could be your place. And room service menu, and just like that. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. KW out. Alright, guys, so that was the clip of the bathroom, and you can see a small They got try the more modern things to do is to put a walk and shower in, but instead of doing that, they kept the shower tub combo and classed it up a bit instead of putting a curtain shower rod in there. They put a piece of glass dividing up half of the bathtub, make it look more modern, and a shower head that's like a rainfall shower head, except it's not instead of running your traditional rain head shower head plumbing through a ceiling. It's hooked up like a regular shower head, but it's a rainfall one, so they class it up a bit like that. Here's another pan of the room. One thing I do want to note is that the walls are kind of paper thin. That is a thing to note. And again, I am by the elevator, so you can hear people slamming doors in the hallway. And you can hear people out from the street right here. But I think the sound won't be an issue if you are placed farther down the back of the hall. So, all in all, this is a pretty good hotel. And if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe, and KW out.